Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this fall look, and I'm using the NYX, the Ultimate Utopia, and I just love those colors inside. Look at these colors. They are beautiful. Beautiful colors. So many to pick from, but this color right here is definitely calling my name. So we're gonna use that one along with some of the other ones, but that'll be a focus color. And I think I'm gonna do a halo. I haven't done a halo in a while, so we're gonna try that. And I'm gonna use my Marc eyeshadow base. I just stirred it up because it was just kind of sticking to the sides. So alright, just gonna use that for a base, a primer, and also cut crease. Just gonna do a halo. Okay, just gonna put that all over. Need something. All right, and we're gonna start with this color right here. I'm gonna start with like a 217 brush, and I'm just gonna pat that in my crease. So we're just gonna get a good color payoff and just press these colors in first. This is a really good palette for travel. It's the perfect size. You got some warm colors, you got some mattes, you got some shimmers, and that's what we're all about. I love a good balance of formulas. Alright, so next, I think I'm gonna go in with this plum color right here. We're gonna put that in the inner and outer. Same technique. We're just gonna press that color in. Such a beautiful plum color. Same thing, the inner corner. When I'm doing the inner corner, I like to look the opposite way from where I'm putting the color, because sometimes, depends on your eye shape, it can be hard to get in those corners. This is such a beautiful plum color. Okay, and then we're just gonna blend that out a little bit. Same thing over here. I'm gonna press it in first and then blend it out later. Okay, inner and outer. I love a good halo. Well, at MAC, we used to call them spotlight. It's just a nice switch up from, you know, regular eyeshadow look. All right, and then we're gonna go back in with that eyeshadow base. Gonna cut out our halo. I like to kind of look straight forward to see where my lid space is, or you know, where I can get a good idea of where to place for my halo, and then just kind of come down. That looks pretty good, and then I just like to kind of blend out the edges. That way when you put the shadow on top of it, it won't be so hard. All right, you have to really be careful with this eyeshadow. You want to make sure you are, you know, when I'm getting it out of the pan, I'm just kind of pressing to pick that color up, and then also pressing it on my eye. I would say if you're someone that's not sure, or if you've never worked with like a pressed pigment, I would definitely lay down some loose powder. And that's why I like to put, before I put eyeshadow on, I like to put a layer of like concealer or something like that. That way it is sticky. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm definitely, you know, as I'm blending, I'm bringing that color over because you want a nice transition of color. We're gonna do the same thing at the bottom. I'm gonna put this color at the bottom here. All right, and then we're also gonna go in with the deep plum color, just a little bit in the bottom inner corner. I don't want that too dark, but just a little bit of that purple. Kind of more so like applying it like a liner, not so much down here, but more so like a liner. Now we can go in with that same color. All right, for my lips, I'm going to use the Mabeline lip cream. It's the Amore Satin Matte, and this color is Cashmere. Oh, love it already. They used to have a red that I absolutely loved. I was looking for it when I went to the store, but I couldn't find it. But who doesn't love good fall lip? This is gorgeous. I'm loving this look, you guys. All right, I'm gonna do my hair, and all right guys, I'm back. So I have on my lip color that I absolutely love. I love a good dark fall lip color. They're calling it a satin matte. I mean, these have been out forever. You guys have seen these, but it's a very comfortable matte to wear. All right guys, so that is it. That is my fall eyeshadow look using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. Again, this color is Ultimate Utopia. The colors that I used were really great. Not a lot of kickback, but yeah, this is a great palette and this is a great lip. I will have a link to both of these right below this video. That way you can pick those right up. Perfect fall look with these two products. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for joining me. And so if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. My second handle on TikTok is _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you will be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, thank you so much. Until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.